Welcome back to the Knowledge Hub podcast. 3 years ago, only 5% of real estate firms were testing AI. Today, 90%. That's not gradual adoption. That's an industry waking up to the fact that manual data entry and gut instinct can't keep pace anymore. Here's what's actually changing. Real estate has always been drowning in data: listing prices, demographic shifts, infrastructure plans, maintenance records. The problem wasn't having information. It was making sense of it fast enough to matter. AI is finally closing that gap. Take property valuation. It used to be price per square foot plus a veteran agent's intuition. Now, automated valuation models pull from hundreds of data points at once: foot traffic patterns, Wi Fi quality, even visual analysis of renovation work from photos. One firm we looked at uses algorithms to spot neighborhoods about to boom by tracking transit permits and business licenses before prices climb. That's not magic, that's pattern recognition at scale. Here's what matters for the day to day: property managers are using predictive maintenance to catch HVAC failures before they happen, cutting unplanned downtime by 30 to 50%. AI chatbots handle midnight maintenance requests in multiple languages so human teams can focus on complex issues. Lead scoring tools track who's visiting your listing 5 times a day and automatically tag them as hot leads, so your ad budget goes to people actually ready to buy, not window shoppers. The interesting part: 80% of real estate companies have launched AI pilots, but only 20% are seeing real results. The gap isn't the technology, it's implementation. You can't drop AI into messy data and expect miracles. Garbage in, garbage out. The firms winning right now started small: one AI agent answering tenant questions or sorting new listings, then scaled as they learned what worked, and the shift is just beginning. Smart buildings now adjust energy use in real time based on actual occupancy, saving 20 to 30% on costs. Generative AI is creating virtual tours where buyers can swap furniture and paint colors on the fly. Some platforms are even exploring property tokenization, turning a $100 million building into $10,000 shares anyone can buy, with AI handling all the admin work that used to require a team of analysts. One quote stuck with me. A top agent said, "AI is not going to replace an agent, but an agent who scaled and operationalized with it is going to absolutely leave everybody in the dust." The bullet train's moving, and it's like, get on the bullet train or be left at the station. That's the reality. The tools are here. The question is whether you're ready to use them. Until next time, keep building smart.